So for now, let's edit the RSVP. Click it here, and then I'll just exit here. I don't want to see this. And then use the template. Click use the template. Use the template. Let's wait. And then after that, charan! This is now our Google Form RSVP. Right now, let's see. These are the questions. Right now, let's first edit the header, the one that we did or make in Canva. This paint one, and image upload X that, and then choose image, the one we made in Canva before. Browse. This one, RSVP header, open, like that. Let's wait. That one. This is the one we made. Then click done. And after that, let's wait again. Let's wait again. And then I don't like the color here because it doesn't match the wedding, so let's change it to brown. And the background lighter. And then that one, we can't edit that. If you click, there's a blue there automatically. And then for now, let's change the names. Andrew, let's type. Let's wait it's loading kasi. Andrew, let's type Andrew and Sophia. Then after that, let's change the date. You can change the date here and the location just by clicking it and typing it like that. February 27, 2027. Oops, there's 0. 2027. After that, if you wanna add some questions here, you can just click that plus button there to add questions. For example, song request, or do you have a song request? Oops. Do you have a song request? And then we don't like this. We don't like this one, option 1. We need our guests to write what is their song request, so change it to paragraph. But if you don't want to add some questions, you can just delete it by clicking the trash button here. Delete question. So now we're done. Yes, that's it. And then now for the responses, we need to link it to Sheets to easily track the responses. Create, so that we can avoid confusions like that. Email address, can you attend the questions? Each has tabs, right? So that's it. So right now we have to make sure the responses in settings is responder input, because we don't want to collect, or we don't want to record our we don't want to require our guests to input their email. And then responses can be changed, being submitted. We don't want to rush 4 hours before the wedding, so we don't want to turn on that. And then limit to 1 response. We don't want to turn on this one because we don't want our guests to sign in or to require Gmail account. So okay, so we're done, and then we have to publish. Click manage. So editor view is restricted, and then responder view is anyone with a link, and then publish. Okay, so we're done, and then copy the link. And you can copy the link here by clicking this icon here, like that, and then copy. and then copy, and then paste it to our website. This one, RSVP. Control K. I wanna delete the link here. Control K, Control V, paste, then done. I don't wanna underline our RSVP, so click that one. Then the square one. Control K, then Control V, then done. And that's good. That's it. Thank you.